and one of the reasons we started talking about this to begin with is, the efficiency, the need not to travel, the possibility to attend remotely. And obviously with social distancing, that's one factor, but it also opens up interesting possibilities to think through with respect to the possibility of economically getting more people to the inspection process, other parts of the legal team, for instance, that might not travel otherwise, or consultants and in-house technical experts at a manufacturer who couldn't take 3 days to make the business trip across the country for a one-day inspection, but might be able to hit the key 2 hours of a piece of lab work or a test that's going on remotely. And as I mentioned, hybrid, you could have the young engineer whose schedule is clear travel and the partner who has a tight travel schedule attend the 2 hours of key work remotely. We talked about confined spaces and maybe unstable structures with cameras that are with the ability to put cameras in all sorts of different places and fly over building collapses, for instance. There's the possibility for some unique inspection views. And of course, there's the possibility to document it permanently. And you'll see when we do the live portion, you can pretty thoroughly document a lab inspection. You can obviously document the drones and record all sorts of data that you wouldn't otherwise see. All these things you have the opportunity to share with the folks attending remotely. So there's the video feed, which everybody's used to from Zoom and Teams meetings, but still photos can be uploaded to people on demand who are attending, and that gives you an opportunity to really participate in